Welcome to FirstWord Pharma's news roundup for September the 1st, brought to you today by Senior Editor Matt Dennis. Today's FirstWord Pharma news roundup is sponsored by INC Research. In our top news story, AstraZeneca granted Valiant Pharmaceuticals rights to brodalumab under a deal potentially worth up to $445 million. The interleukin-17 receptor monoclonal antibody is being developed for patients with moderate to severe plaque psoriasis and psoriatic arthritis. Also featured, Amgen's PCSK9 inhibitor Repatha will cost around $6,780 a year in the UK versus a list price of $14,100 in the US. A company spokeswoman said the prices were set to reflect the unique healthcare environment and marketplace of different countries. In other news, the combination of Navassa's Tafinlar and Mekinist garnered EU approval for the treatment of adults with unresectable or metastatic melanoma with a BRAF V600 mutation. The company noted that this is the first targeted therapy combination approved in the EU for this indication. In addition, Amicus Therapeutics agreed to buy rare disease drug maker CEOderm under a transaction possibly worth about $950 million. The purchase gives Amicus the experimental topical cream Zorblisa, which is currently in phase 3 testing for epidermolysis bullosa. And finally, the FDA accepted Bristol Myers Squibb and AbbVie's filing for Emplicity for priority review. The companies are seeking approval of the SLAM-F7 directed immunostimulatory antibody for the treatment of multiple myeloma. To read these and other stories in full, visit firstwordpharma.com.